One of the central features of Wiscloud system is our smart light switches and sockets. With them, you're able to wirelessly program anything connected to the network with the single press of a button. So if you want the lights, fan, and TV all to turn on with one button, you're able to do that. It's as simple as putting the button in pairing mode, then using the app to link a device to the button. Our smart light switches and sockets are immediately connected to network as soon as powered up. Wiscloud offers a number of different sizes and styles for our smart light switches and sockets. There are models with 1, 2, or 3 buttons, standard, single width, and double width, and a selection of black, white, and gold designs. You can pick up whichever design best fits your home and lifestyle.